I breathe in. Shadows on my skin, trying to hide my light, but it keeps burning bright. I've been running from myself, afraid of what they'll see, but the echoes in my mind keep calling back to me. These are the sounds of my head, saying, don't you break, don't you bend. You are more than all the fears you fed. Listen close, let the truth be said. These are the sounds of my head. Lost lines, tangled thoughts. It feels like too much cost, trying to fit a space that was never my place. But I hear a quiet beat under every doubt I feel, soft but strong enough to tell me what is real. These are the sounds of my head, saying, don't you break, don't you bend. Don't you bend. You are more than all the fears you fed. Listen close, let the truth be said. These are the sounds of my head. I rise, I fall, I heal, still learn.